Okay, so I've already recorded the video and I was trying to edit it to the best of my ability. And I'm just gonna be honest, I butchered it. I butchered the video. I did a terrible job. But I don't want to re-record it and then fake a bunch of reactions like, ooh, how awesome, or, you know, whatever. Overall, the box was good. It was good. And except there's one product, which you guys will see later on, that I'm not okay with, especially at that price point. Not that the price point's real bad, but when the quality is Dollar Tree or less than Dollar Tree, that's a little much. And also, it's kind of gross. But yeah, overall the box was good. And anyway, I'm just not good at this stuff, and I'm learning. Maybe I'll figure it out, maybe I won't, who knows. But anyways, I do apologize that it is just a ridiculous video. And on that note, let the circus begin. Hey y'all. Oh, today I'm so excited. Paradise delivered. This is my very first box, so I don't know what to expect, but I'm super stoked and I could not wait to get it open. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open it. We're gonna find out what it is. Okay. Looks like this. You open it. And, oh, so I love that. It does come with a card that tells you everything in it and what it's worth and the total value of the box. And, I'm a huge fan of that. I need that in my life. Let's see. Tissue's nice. Ooh, let's see what's in here. Okay. We have a Belgian Boys Choco Stroopwafel. I hope I didn't butcher that. It looks delicious. It's authentic Dutch chocolate caramel waffle dipped in real Belgian chocolate. Oh, I think I got the lights up too high. I don't know. I never know. Okay, next up we have, oh, this is the one I think I butchered last time. I think last time I said Laritzi, but this time I'm going to go with Loritzi. Does that sound any different? This is a Dewpot in the color Glory. Let's see. So I don't know if it's eyeshadow or it says a Dewpot Illuminator. I don't know, but it looks like this. Yeah, the lights are up high. It looks completely clear in there, doesn't it? Oh, I don't know about using that as a highlighter. So it has to be an eyeshadow, right? Oh, I guess we can find out. I forgot about the card. So good at this. I'm so good at this. Okay. Loaded with ultra fine shimmer, this smooth blendable highlighter will keep you dewy all day. Designed to enhance skin tones, this effortless formula can be used wherever you want an extra touch of light. And it retails for $21. I'm not going to swatch it because chances of me using a cream highlight are slim to none. But, wow, $21. It's really small. And this Stroopwafel is $4. Forgot about the card. Okay. This is Zona 3-compartment bento box. Lunch just got more fun with this durable, environmentally friendly, BPA-free bento box with 3 compartments and a convenient, secure strap for use on the go. Dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. And it's this really pretty mint. Do I have it upside down? Yep. It's this really pretty mint color. I'm sure at this point you've all seen what a bento box looks like, so I'm not going to open it because I do own like 4 of them. But that's cool. That's cool. Let's see. Next up we have Dime Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Yes. This replenishing serum captures the simplistic beauty of clean skincare. Concentrated hyaluronic acid instantly quenches thirsty skin upon application, boosting bounce and delivering intense hydration where it's needed most. As seen in Vogue, Vanity Fair, Hot Bae, made in the USA. We love that. We do, we do. Let's see what it looks like. Sorry. Oh, I love it. I can't focus. We're focusing. Or the lights are too bright. These letters that you probably can't see here say Dime. Glass, which I love. No smell, which is nice. Okay. Wow. Still a few more things in here. I tell you that retails for $28, by the way. That Dime Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Serum, $28. Okay, next we have, what are you? What do we have next? What are you? What are you? Oh, this is by Manicadar Champagne Charcoal Scrub. It's all on one side. See, I guess because it traveled on its side. Can you see? Oh, the lights. Focus. Focus. Not gonna focus. But this is, it retails for $24. Formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, including calcium, copper, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. This luxe and gentle body scrub removes dirt and buildup, leaving the skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. So that's nice. I'm not going to open the seal on it, but we do know that it's at least half full. It's half full. Okay. Now we have, where are you? You are Mavi Bands Adjustable Non-Slip Headband. This stylish adjustable headband has an elastic back and non-slip technology on the inside to ensure a perfect fit that will stay in place all day long. Aww. I think because I just have the lights up way too bright, I suppose. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's the bright because I'm seeing spots. Jewel Smith Directional Bracelet. Follow your heart, fearlessly pursue your passions, and never lose your way with this stylish gold compass bracelet with a 6-inch chain and a 2-inch extender. Ooh. Oh, it really is a tiny little compass. I wish it was silver. I don't, you know what, let me turn these lights down. hope you guys can see it. It's really cute. But again, I'm not going to open it. I only wear like silver tones, so gold makes me look dirty. My grandmother pointed that out when I was younger, and so I can't go back. May she rest in peace. But thanks, my mom. But so gold tones make me look dirty. Okay, and looks like we're at our last item. It is Pivotal Cosmetics 4-piece facial brush. Oh wait, did I tell you? Ooh, this bracelet retails for $58. Wow. Okay. So this is, why can't I not find anything? Pivotal Cosmetics. That's it. Pivotal Cosmetics 4-piece facial brush set. Ensure your look is always on point at home or on the go with this 4-piece essentials brush set featuring a blush brush, fan brush, blender brush, and a double-sided brush comb. It looks like this. Oh, and it retails for, wow, I've done a terrible job, right? $24. Okay. So here's what they come like. Let's see. No. Now, what? How much did I say these were? Now I've lost the card. There it is. $24? No. No, they're very light, cheap. I didn't even think that would work for a blush, really. I mean, look at that. Well, this, no. I was gonna say that one might be okay. Let's check out this one. Now this one, Jesus, that's real. Did you see that? Do you see, can you see it? Please tell me you can see the stuff. You guys, I don't know if it's been used or, can you see it? Oh no. It's not giving off any pigment, so are they just dirty? That's a super no. It's super cheap, super gross. And no. But that was the last thing in this box. It is my first time receiving it. I think I went ahead and prepaid for a 3 or 6 month subscription. I don't know why I do that before trying the box to know if I even like it. But really, this is the only thing I don't like. I mean, I will not use the highlighter, but still, it's a nice little product to get in there. And the overall value of the box for January 2021 is $201. So, we got the brush set, the Bento lunchbox in a beautiful color, the charcoal or champagne charcoal scrub, the Laritzi Dewpot, the Dime Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Serum, the Jules Smith directional bracelet, which is beautiful. So this would make a really good gift for people. I love subscription boxes. I absolutely love them. It would make a really good gift for someone because I won't wear gold tone. I do wish it was silver, but it's super precious, super cute. And I can't wait to try out this headband. I do like the headband. Am I gonna look insane? Probably, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. And then we got this cookie, which I'm probably gonna eat after this. So anyways, guys, that's it. That was my very first Paradise delivered box, and they ship out by the 8th of each month, so I subscribed late in January, obviously really just like a few days ago, and it's already here. So I should be getting February's pretty soon. So I don't know if they're themed. Maybe it'd be a Valentine's Day thing. That'd be really cool, huh? Can't wait to see. Anyways, I got plenty of more boxes coming, and I'll see y'all then. Bye, y'all.